Okay, here we are back inside MatrixGold. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you're a return viewer, appreciate you watching the videos. Hope they're helping you out. If they are, please think about hitting that subscribe button. Greatly appreciated. Return viewers and subscribers, greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for all the support. Really appreciate it. Today we're going to do another one of those, like a little rope band type thing. It's real easy. Not like the last one we did. This one will be a little bit easier. So we're just going to go ahead and take a ring rail, and we'll just take it, and then right away we're going to take it and we'll go to our curves and we will offset it. And I'll offset it to a 1.2 I have in here in distance, and I'll just take that there. I'll take that curve, keep everything organized, my creation layer, and I'll go in here and we will find our helix, and I'll grab that, and it'll be the middle one, helix around curve, and this will be my curve, and we'll just kind of drag it. I'm just going to go halfway like that. So it just kind of goes around, and then what I'll do is I'll grab profile, and we will grab just the normal profile. I'll go ahead and set that to frontal, and what we'll do now is we'll go into our edit profile here, right? So here's our profile, and I want to make sure I have my snap checked and the 1 millimeter, and I'm just going to take it and bring it down, and then I'm just going to take that, check it. Now it goes all the way around, right? And from here, what we want to do is we want to do a little bit of size manipulation. So we're going to grab it. We're going to bring it into a, I don't know, a 2.5 maybe. That should be fine. And, well, we'll take it to 2. How's that? At 2.2. And we'll take this up to 2.2, and it looks like we need to drag that off our ring rail a little bit. Let's see, grab this arrow here, and we'll just take it up to about there and hit enter. Now, the surface, you can't use the dynamic parametric commands because we'll need to maybe change this. So a little bit, alter it. So we'll take this and we'll go to the sweep 1 old ring. We'll select our ring rail. We'll select our profile. We'll hit enter, enter. And let's take a look at this real quick. And actually, that doesn't look too bad, but I have it on road like. If I put it on free form, actually that's pretty good too, except it goes way far out there. So let's put that back on road like, and I will go ahead and set axis. I will set axis at F4, and then I will hold down in the Z direction and click, and now everything just kind of snaps right. I've got a really great shape going on, right? So you'll need to change it from freeform to road like. Click on your set axis, go to F4, and then drag it out in the Z direction and click, and it should be fine. All right, so there's that, and then all I have to do here is go ahead and duplicate that. I'll duplicate it in place. And then I will click off there, click on one of them, go to a rotate from F4, hold down shift, go up here, and then just kind of get it where I want it. So it's kind of like right in the middle there. And we are done. That's simple. Now you have a little rope band. That's what you want. But there's a lot more you can do here. I'll show you a couple different things real quick. You know, we have our ring there. We can take this, and we can take this, and we can drag it out. Now look at that. We have something totally different. Which is not a bad shape. You could pave diamonds in there, maybe pave here, keep that bright, you know, shiny gold or whatever, pave there, something. You can do a lot with that. You can also go in here, and let's go back to our shaded. Grab these two, and maybe you don't want it so thick. You know, you just want it a little thicker, but not that thick. You know, there's all different kinds of manipulation you can do in here to get all different kinds of designs, right? Now I'm going to go back all the way back to our original, and then I'm going to, I think it's this one here that I think we'll just go ahead and delete this one. I'm going to grab that terrell. I'm going to go to my solids this time, and this time I'm going to grab rope. And we'll go over here to our dynamic commands, and we'll do some manipulation here. The first thing I'm going to do is kind of broaden that out a little bit. Maybe more than that. More. You could do all, maybe you just want a little bit of going around. I want to make that distance a little tighter, something like that. You can do all kind of manipulation in here, however thick you want it on there. I'm going to make it kind of thick though. Something, I don't know, like that maybe. Now it's going inside my ring rail, right? But I'm going to go ahead and take this, and that's pretty cool. But you can just, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take this, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to extrude it out. So now we have something like this going on, right? And in order to get that shape, all you have to do is grab that ring rail, go to extrude, solid, drag it out, click on there, bring that back in, and then go to your boolean. Select our first surface, will be this one and this one, hit enter, and then select this one and hit enter, and boom. Okay, and then just get rid of all that. We'll just get rid of it. That one, that one, that one, and there we go. There's a pretty cool ring you can do. And again, you can make it thicker or thinner depending on what you want. So there's all kind of little design alterations you can do in there, and you can pave diamonds in there. Just all kind of crazy stuff that you can do very, very quickly. You could probably come up with about 5-10 different designs, put different profiles on there, do different sweeps, and come up with about 100 different designs within about an hour or less. So hopefully this kind of gives you a little bit different look on some designs that you can do. And if it does, please think about hitting that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Again, check out the MatrixGold virtual summit coming up. I'll go ahead and post the link in it, the description below, and check it out. Thanks for watching, and good designing.